everyone. I'm Janelle, the Activities Director at the Villages community. With over 50 golf courses, 100 recreation centers, and 130,000 residents, we offer countless activities, which means our community calendar is busy. Our residents are living their best retirement lives, but keeping everything organized? That's where CalendarAnything comes in. First up, let's talk golf. It's the heart and soul of the Villages, and with CalendarAnything, we've got it down to a T. I'm going to pull up our Gantt view for a list of all of our golf courses for the next month. CalendarAnything allows me to know everything that's happening at the golf tournaments being held at the Villages, like what course it's at, who will be in attendance, and any other information I need at my fingertips. Here you can see that each row is a different course, and we've got everything color-coded. You can see that each activity type has its own color: green for open play, blue for tournaments, black for maintenance. And via multi-level conditional coloring, you can see that each facility is getting its own color, and the additional red indicator is a visual cue that a pro is on staff at the course that day. Next up, let me show you how easy it is to add a new course maintenance request. So I'll just click here, select course maintenance, and via a Salesforce workflow, a new request can be made. I just need to type in the facility and the available maintenance crew and a description if desired. And now you can see that the resource has been assigned to that maintenance ticket. If we need to reschedule, I can see the availability of the other grounds crew and know that we can make an update with confidence. Now, let's say we need to reschedule maintenance on the Cane Garden course. I just drag and drop this black box and boom, it's updated in Salesforce instantly. No more back and forth with the grounds crew. I can see their schedule and know that I'm not double booking. But the Villages isn't just about golf. We've got a ton of activities for all residents to enjoy. Let's switch over to our portal to see what's happening across all of our rec centers. Most residents only care about activities that are a short golf cart ride from their home. So we only want to show those recreation centers in their calendar view. And look at all of these activities. We've got everything from pickleball to swimming lessons. And the best part, our residents can book these right from their phones or desktops, and then keep track of the activities they've signed up for. The agenda view is perfect for viewing the calendar on your phone. Next up, let's talk about one of the biggest headaches before CalendarAnything implementation: managing our fleet of golf carts. We've got a calendar for our golf cart fleet. Each cart is grouped by make, and we can see at a glance with color coding the maintenance status, and also that maintenance is past due with the red indicator. With the use of custom buttons, we can directly link to our inventory system. So if we need to order parts for a repair, it's just one click away. Now, folks, I could go on all day about how CalendarAnything has transformed life here at the Villages. Would you like to learn more about CalendarAnything? Visit us at calendaranything.com.